Okay, children, today we will do a new type of problem on simultaneous equation. In this type of question, we will have y in the denominator. Okay, x will be in its own place, but y will be in the denominator. Okay, if it is of this kind, if the questions are of this kind, then we can easily solve them by using the same technique. Okay, keep them as they are. Okay, जस्तो छ त्यस्तै राख्नु. यसको अगाडि 1 छ, यसको अगाडि 2 छ, they are not equal, coefficients are not equal, so as usual you multiply this with 2 and equation 2 with 1. Then 2 into x 2x plus 2 into 2 4 by y. Okay, don't keep this y in the numerator, y लाई माथि बिर्सेर नराख्नु, is equal to 2 7 जा 14. 1 2x जा 2x minus 6 by y is equal to 9. Then you draw this line, then change the sign as usual. Okay, plus la minus, minus la plus बनाउनु, अनि 2x and 2x will get cancelled and you solve them. Plus 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 हुन्छ 6 र 4 10, but remember that y is in the denominator. Okay, don't keep it in the numerator, त्यो गल्ती गर्नु हुँदैन. Okay, is equal to plus minus minus 14 minus 9 5 हुन्छ. Okay, but remember y is in the denominator. अब यो मुनिको y चाहिँ माथि जानुको लागि चाहिँ is equal to 1 by 1 by, you can consider this as, okay, 1 you can write here below. Okay, then you cross multiply. Okay, this step is very important here. So y into 5 5y is equal to 1 10 जा 10 हुन्छ. So 5 will come down in the denominator, and then 10 is divided by 5 2 times, so y को value आयो 2. Okay, then you put the value of y in equation 1. So equation 1 यति छ हैन, y चाहिँ माथि छैन, y तल छ in the denominator, so put the value of y is equal to 2 in the denominator. Then 2 by 2 you can write 1 हैन, काटिन्छ 2 1 2 2 1 2. Okay, it will be 1, and plus 1 goes that side, becomes minus 1, so 7 minus 1 gives you 6. Okay, so the two values are x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 2. Similarly, we can do this problem. Okay, same, x is there, y is in the denominator in both the questions. Here is 3, here is 1, so li 1 li 3 multiply as usual. Okay, then you multiply them, then you change the sign. All right, then these two will get cancelled, minus minus plus हुन्छ, 12 र 2 plus गर्दा 14 हुन्छ, sign of the bigger number, don't ever forget that. अनि मुनिपट्टि हाम्रो y छ is equal to plus minus minus 12 minus 5 gives you 7. All right, and then the sign of bigger number. So if both sides minus, so minus minus के हुन्छ, cancel हुन्छ, अनि y denominator मा छ भने अघिको जस्तै you cross multiply. Okay, 7 into y 7y is equal to 14. 7 comes down, y is equal to 2 you get, then again you put the value in equation number 1. Okay, माथि हैन तल पुट गर्नुपर्छ, remember, because y is in the denominator. So 2 by 2 many 1, so minus 1 goes that side, becomes plus 1. 5 plus 1 gives you 6, sign of the bigger number, and 3 will come down, and 6 is divided by 3 2 times. Okay, so x will be equal to 2 and y will be equal to 2 are the solutions. Similarly, we have question number 3. Okay, same. Okay, then this is 2 and this is 5, so multiply. Then you get this. Okay, y is in the denominator, remember, then change your sign, plus 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 15 and 4 gives you 19 divided by y, don't ever forget that, is equal to 25 minus 6 gives you 19, then is equal to 1 by 1 by denominator 1 you can write, then you cross multiply. Okay, then 19 will come down, 19 divided by 19 gives you 1. All right, then putting the value of y is equal to 1 in equation 1. Okay, in the denominator there is y, so y को जग्गामा 1 राख्नु, अनि 3 by 1 भनेको चाहिँ 3 नै हो. Okay, if it is 1 by 3 you have to write 1 by 3, but if it is 3 by 1 मुनिपट्टि 1 छ भने चाहिँ you can ignore that 1. Okay, then plus 3 goes that side, becomes minus 3. 5 minus 3 gives you 2, and 2 will come down, 2 divided by 2 is 1. So the solutions are x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. The same kind of question we have here in question number 4. All right, but the new thing out here is that here is 1 by 11 by 12. okay, यहाँ fraction छ, simple number को जग्गामा यहाँ fraction छ, त्यही चाहिँ यहाँनिर अलिकति नयाँ कुरा छ. अब fraction छ भने कसरी solve गर्नु, that is a bit new thing that we have out here. Then you multiply the equation number 1 with 5 as usual, equation number 2 with 2 as usual. Then you multiply. Alright. 2 ले multiply गर्दा 11 माथि मात्रै multiply गर्नु पर्छ, मुनि गर्नु हुँदैन. Alright, that you have to remember. Then you can cancel this with 2. 2 11s are 22, 2 6s are 12. Okay. 22 by 12 राखेर गर्दा पनि हुन्छ, but then if you cancel, then the numbers will become smaller. Okay. But this is in fractional form. Okay, first time we get fraction here. अब fraction छ भने चाहिँ directly यो दुईटा solve गर्नु मिल्दैन. Alright, त्यति बेला चाहिँ के गर्नुपर्छ, that I will show you. See, then you change sign. Okay, plus minus भयो, minus plus, plus minus भयो, then these two will get cancelled. Then plus 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 हुन्छ, 15 र 4 19 by y हुन्छ, sign of the bigger number. You must not forget that is equal to, here you should not add or subtract directly. Okay, यहाँ चाहिँ जस्तो छ नि हो, माथि 5 छ, 5 लेख्नु, यहाँ माइनस छ, माइनस लेख्नु, 11 by 6 लाई यतिकै लेख्नु. You have to remember this step very carefully. You have to do this. Then fraction plus minus, always we do LCM. No, then you take LCM. So 1 र 6 को LCM 6 हुन्छ. 1 divides 6 times, त्यो 6 ले 5 लाई multiply, 6 5s are 30, minus 6 divides 6 one time, 1 11s are 11. 30 minus 11, 19, sign of the bigger number, then you cross multiply. Alright, so 19 into y, 19y huncha is equal to 6 into 19, you can write 114, you can write, but I didn't choose to write. मैले 6 into 19 नै लेखे, किनभने मलाई थाहा छ 19 will come down and this 19 and 19 will get cancelled. Alright, so 6 into 19 लाई you can choose to write 19 into 6 or 114 as you wish. Okay, 114 लेख्यो भने पनि 19 ले divide गर्दाखेरि answer त्यति नै आउँछ. And then you 19 gets cancelled, so y is 6. Okay, then what do? You put the value of y is equal to 6 in equation number 1. Okay, munipati denominator ma 6 लगाउनु, then you cancel, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Now first time we are getting fraction here. Okay, so plus 1 by 2 लाई उत्ता लाँदाखेरि minus 1 by 2 हुन्छ. Then again this becomes fraction plus minus, you take LCM here. Alright, so 1 and 2 को LCM 2 हुन्छ. 1 divides 2 one time, no, 1 divides 2 two times, 1 2s are 2, no, then 2 1s are 2, 2 divides 2 one time, 1 1s are 1, 2 minus 1 1. Right, then is equal to 1 by cross multiply, 2 2s are 4x is equal to 1. Then you bring this 4 down, so x is equal to 1 by 4. Don't write x is equal to 4. Okay, this has to come down. So x is equal to 1 by 4 and y is equal to 6 we have as our answer. And here we have question number 5 and question number 6 for your do it yourself or homework. Okay, I have given you the answers, you do them and you check your answers.